Hey guys, it's me, Ashley Alexandra, and I'm back again with another video. I'm back, YouTube, I'm back. So if you guys don't know, yes, this is my YouTube channel. I've been posting videos for quite a while. No, I haven't given up on YouTube. I just been busy focusing on my business basically. This video is to help you guys sugar wax yourself, basically how to sugar wax yourself. I'm a whole waxologist basically. I'm a whole sugar expert in every single thing. If you guys don't know, this is my business, WaxyAsthetics, where I sell sugar wax or sugar wax pamper kits, which are the DIY sugar wax pamper kits. Includes the sugar wax, it includes gloves, wax sticks, 2 different sizes, and wax strips, so you can, pull out the hair and everything on your own. You can be a DIY pro, okay? And probably one day you might even find interest inside of it and actually start waxing others. Talking about waxing others, I also wax others, okay? I could wax you if you would like to. Let's book an appointment on the link that will be in the description box down below, okay? If you're in St. Martin, I'm available until the 19th of September, so book your appointment right now before it's too late. Also in the UK, I'm coming to you in October, okay? So I'll let you guys know when to book the appointments. And stay tuned so you know exactly when to by following me on my social media account, which is WaxyAsthetics. Waxy Aesthetics, AESTHETICS Aesthetics. Yeah. So just check in the description box down below and follow me. Anywho, how to use your sugar wax. My nail gun. This is caramel, not because of the color or what wax it is, because all of them have the same consistency and does the same thing. They're just different name because I wanted something that links with the color, which is a brownish goldish color. So I chose caramel for the small one. I chose golden for the medium size, and I chose luxury glow for the not even large, extra large size. All my nails are gone. All my nails are gone. Excuse my nails that are missing. Don't watch them. My appointment with Angela is tomorrow. Caramel is $8. Golden is $15. And luxury glow is $20. However, with a wax kit, this is $10. With the wax kit is $10, $20, and $30. If you would like one, just message me and let me know. Anyways, how to use it. This is just leftover wax that I had there from selling the wax them. I just had left over from the previous wax I made for my customers. I just had left over and put it inside of this. Hence why these are empty and this one has in and this one having. But I'll be making sugar wax just now. I'm currently making sugar wax, but basically, as you guys can see, I have hair on my arm. As you guys can see, I have some hair on my arm right here. I'll be waxing. So first, you just, all my nails are messed up. So this is a wax right here. Look at it. So this is the hair on my arm. You see? And before you even do anything, read your instructions. Before you do anything, read your instructions. The instructions are right here. These are the instructions. So it says directions. Number 1, before applying, thoroughly clean and exfoliate the area you are applying. Okay? Some people, it's better to wax. It's better to exfoliate your skin before waxing. 2, dry the area with a cloth or sprinkle some powder to dry the skin. Either or. We're gonna dry it with a cloth today. 3, apply some of your sugar wax on the area you are removing the hair from. We're gonna do that right now. Let me show you guys. So, see? We're gonna do this right now. Okay? Right here, I'm just gonna spread it all over. Also, you do not have to microwave your sugar wax. You can just directly apply it onto your skin. However, if you purchase a store the sugar wax and you incorrectly store it, you can warm it in a microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds, no more. Do not be like Trisha. If you don't know who is Trisha, check out her YouTube page that will be in my description box down below, where she waxed her boyfriend. But both of them wax each other. So I apply the wax. You guys can see. Then it says, pull the sugar wax in opposite direction to hair growth. If it's thickened due to your skin perspiring, use a cloth to remove the sugar wax. Other waxes, you peel it off. So you're gonna use the strips that's given to you in your sugar wax kit. If you did not purchase your sugar wax kit, you have to purchase your own wax strips. Basically, I recommend people purchasing the sugar wax kit because it comes with everything. You don't need to go and buy everything because everything is already there for you. Okay, so yeah, you got your wax strips. One. Now we're gonna put it. You guys can see this right here on the sugar wax. You guys see it? I'm just gonna bring it close. You see? Friends, right? This is the difference right here. Look at my arm. Look at the difference. Remove the leftover with warm water. So if you have warm water, just put your hand under the warm water and remove the excess wax. But I'm gonna take a baby wipes, as I do for my clients, and just wipe it off. Basically, I just wipe it off, and you guys can now see. You can see the difference. Basically, that's how to use your sugar wax. You apply, you take your wax strips, you pull it off, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative, and please like and subscribe, and also don't forget to purchase your own sugar wax or your DIY sugar wax pamper kit, or book your appointment with me if you're from Simatami for the 19th. Okay, also I also does international shipping, so if you live abroad, just DM me and let me know. DM me on Instagram or on Facebook at WaxyAsthetics. All the details will be in the description box. All the details will be in the description box down below. Okay, all right, hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.
Look, sex, I need some wet shit, neck, I need some black hair, yeah, I'm a little madness, yeah, kissing her belly, yeah, she got her wet shit, yeah.